Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your demo account on Fusion Markets. And right now we are here on our account. We created our account and now we just click right here on demo. And then what we can do from here is we can select right to create new demo account, or when you don't have a demo account already standing right there, you can click here on the button. So we will do this real quick, and then from now select here the trading platform that you want to use. I recommend you to use MT5 because that trading platform is very good. Select right here your account type, so let's do classic. Then select right here the currency. I want that standing on US dollars. We can also change right here the leverage. I want it to 1 to 100, 500 is too much for me. And then we add a 0 to this so we can trade with 100 grand. And then you can also add a reference code, but we don't have that. So right now we click on create account. And if you can see right there, if we are refreshing our page. Okay. Then we go to trading accounts, demo. And right now here is our demo 002. So this is how you can create your demo account on Fusion Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.